The proposed concept is the use of flywheel technology for storage of electricity obtained from natural resources for small home systems with no electrical connections. Government is currently extending electricity supply using solar systems and batteries in rural areas. This system requires extensive maintenance and labor, and if batteries are not replaced when required, the system fails. We propose using high-speed flywheel technology as an alternative. The energy stored is comparable with batteries, but without all the drawbacks of limited charge cycles, chemicals and heavy metals. The initial cost of a flywheel is high. However, the cost is fully recovered with a flywheel operating life of 20 years, with very low maintenance versus a 2-year life of a battery. Research indicates that there are 3 million homes without electricity. Producing these units will provide job opportunities for thousands of people. The product can be manufactured in a quality-controlled environment using volume production techniques to reduce the cost. Distribution is planned to be part of Eskom's current infrastructure and personnel. Installation could be carried out by existing technology contractors. The system will provide sustainable energy to homes currently without access to electricity, and at the same time reduce the substantial maintenance burden. Winning this competition will assist in refining the design and building a qualification model. This proof of concept model will leverage access to funding for the production system.